Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok privacy settings. So let's get started. First of all, go on your TikTok and open your profile. Click on these three buttons. Here is the option of settings and privacy. Click on it. Now here is the privacy. Scroll down. Here is the interaction like comments, DM, dude, downloads, following list. First of all, go on the comments and filter all comments. From this all the comments are approved. Now go back. Here is the DM, a filtered request. Now scroll down. Here is the following list. Click on it. It is upon you who can see your following list, only you or everyone. Click on only me. Now go back. Also here is the option like videos, who can watch your like videos, or if you do it only me, only you can see your like videos. So yeah, this is how you can fix TikTok privacy settings.